Hi friends, welcome back to the Checkout Guy YouTube channel. Showing accepted payments methods at checkout instantly builds trust with the shoppers. You have probably seen stores display small icons like Visa, MasterCard or PayPal, etc. So in this video, I will show you exactly how you can set them up in your Shopify checkout page. Please note that this customization is available only for the Shopify Plus members. Before going to the video, please make sure that you have subscribed to our channel for more Shopify tips. So for this customization, I'm using Checkout Ninja app, which is available from the Shopify App Store. I have also attached the link to this app in the description box. You can check it out. After installing it, open the app from the Shopify admin panel and go for the Create Advanced Blog section. Now you can click on Create Checkout Blog. Now it will display some default template. You can either go for that, otherwise you can just keep it closed and then click on Add Block. So from here we have to select the payment icon as our block and just click on Add to Checkout. So first things we have to give the title for our payment block. Payment icon block. So I'm just giving payment icon block as my title so that I can easily identify from my list. And if you have any visibility conditions, if you need to show this payment block or payment icon block in the checkout, whenever these given conditions are met, then those conditions are given here. We can just select any conditions from here and make the visibility for that payment icon in the checkout page. So for now, I'm not adding any conditions and I'm keeping it disabled. And now comes our configuration part of our payment icon block. So first one is the title. So we can go for any title. I'm just giving we accepts as my title. And in case of advanced options, we can just let's go for the size, color, alignment of this title, how it should be present in our checkout page. So my title, I'm planning it should be large and the color should be, I can just go for the default one, and the alignment, center will be fine. And in this title alignment, I can go for the center also. And here I can give my payment method icon as clicking add new item. So first I'm going for the Visa for sure. And second, I have another accepting payment method as MasterCard. Otherwise, I'm adding Rupee as my payment method icon. And otherwise, I'm giving something, let's say Google Pay. Let's add some more. So let's go for Amazon Pay. So I have added much 3-4 payment methods which we accept in our store. And this alignment, I can just give it as sender, and icon spacing also. Yes, you can just give it as base tight or extra tight, loose or extra loose. So I'm just going for a base as the icon spacing. So I have added all the details and now I'm checking my status. So I made it active and then I am saving it. So I have saved the details. So I'm getting a block ID from here. I copied this and just I am opening the checkout editor. Now I'm clicking on custom block from here and I'm adding this custom block to my checkout page. So the block will be, I have added my block ID here, so I can see that the block ID has shown up in the checkout page. Now I need this block to be placed in the payment section. So I'm just dragging this custom block from here and I'm placing this icon in the payment section. So I can see that we accept and Visa, MasterCard, Rupee, GPay and all those payment methods are from here. So I'm just giving a save options from here. Let's test this up in our online store now. So I have some products in my cart. Let's try to check out this. Yeah, so you can see that our payment icon has shown successfully in the checkout page. So that's how you can create a payment icon methods in your checkout page. So while you're waiting for, just grab the link from the description box and try this out in your online store. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And also please do like, comment and share. Thanks for watching.